So, let me say what I had go on, which was, took it out to drive it. Reverse is great. First is great. When you're in neutral, it wants to stall because it's binding in gear and it won't roll. Second and third are grindy and not nice. Scotty, what have you found down below?
Well, looking down below, I'm hoping people can see that. That spot right there keeps smashing on the second and third linkage. So when you go up, pull it up into gear.
I'm up into second.
Okay, you can tell it's been smashing for quite a while. So we need to do linkage here because this is supposed to be a lot tighter and minimal play. And this one is ridiculous. So if I do this,
Now I'm in the third.
which he couldn't get into before, and that's because that is doing that. So it's just too sloppy. So we need to get the proper bushings, readjust, and oh, you've got to be kidding me. Found the bushing.
Is the bushing on the floor?
No, actually it's, I don't know who had the vehicle before the present owner, but they didn't put the proper piece in. So we'll look up in there, get the proper linkage to put it in to hold that like it's supposed to be. That should alleviate the issue. If not, it'll be a little bit of adjustment here so that when we go up into gear, notice we didn't hit because that's close to being where it needs to be. So
That seems nice up here.
yeah. So if I do this, okay, put it into third.
Third.
How'd that feel?
Way nicer. You want me to go back to second?
Go back to second.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Okay. Now go to neutral.
Neutral.
Okay, yeah, we have to do the linkage. Okay, put it back into second.
Second.
Okay. So that's the wrong grommet to go in there. They just shoved something in to do the job. So we'll get that fixed and get that taken care of. But test drive was good. She ran like a dream. And that's all, folks.